Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Story: A New Yorker's Autumn. The crisp autumnal air, carrying a hint of wood smoke and roasted chestnuts, swept through the canyons of skyscrapers that defined Manhattan. For Isabella Rossi, a lifelong New Yorker and aspiring architect, autumn was when the city truly came alive. The cacophony of summer tourists subsided, replaced by a more refined energy, a sense of purpose and renewal that mirrored the changing leaves in Central Park. Isabella started her day, as she often did, with a brisk walk through Central Park. Even amidst the urban sprawl, this green sanctuary offered a moment of respite. The trees were ablaze with color, crimson, gold, and russet leaves creating a vibrant tapestry against the backdrop of the city skyline. She paused by the Bethesda Terrace, the iconic fountain shimmering under the morning sun. From Central Park, Isabella headed downtown, the subway rumbling beneath her feet like a subterranean heartbeat. Her destination was the financial district, a maelstrom of ambition and commerce. She was meeting a potential client at a cafe overlooking Wall Street, hoping to secure a commission for a new eco-friendly building design. The meeting was fruitful, filled with engaging discussions about sustainable architecture and innovative urban planning. Emerging from the cafe, Isabella felt a surge of optimism. The energy of Wall Street, despite its sometimes frenetic pace, was undeniably invigorating. She decided to take a moment to appreciate the area's historical significance. She strolled towards the Charging Bull statue, a symbol of Wall Street's resilience and financial power. Tourists clustered around it, eager to capture a photo with the iconic sculpture. Isabella, however, preferred the quieter corners of the financial district, the hidden alleys and historical plaques that whispered tales of the city's past. Next, Isabella took the Staten Island ferry, a perennial favorite for both tourists and locals. The ferry offered breathtaking panoramic views of the Manhattan skyline and the majestic Statue of Liberty, standing tall in the harbor. The ferry ride, free of charge, was a quintessential New York experience, a moment of contemplation amidst the city's relentless motion. Arriving in Staten Island, Isabella quickly turned around and boarded the next ferry back to Manhattan. She wasn't interested in exploring Staten Island today. Her focus remained firmly on Manhattan's myriad offerings. Back in Lower Manhattan, she decided to immerse herself in the vibrant atmosphere of Greenwich Village. Greenwich Village, with its eclectic mix of brownstones, independent bookstores, and bohemian cafes, was a stark contrast to the corporate steel and glass of the financial district. She wandered through Washington Square Park, watching street performers and students debating philosophy, soaking in the neighborhood's artistic and intellectual milieu. As dusk began to settle, casting a golden hue over the city, Isabella made her way to Times Square. The dazzling lights and ubiquitous billboards were a sensory onslaught, a stark reminder of New York's relentless energy and commercial heart. For some, Times Square was overwhelming, but for Isabella it was a symbol of the city's vibrant pulse. Finally, Isabella ended her day in a small, dimly lit jazz club in Harlem, a neighborhood rich in cultural heritage and history. The improvisational melodies of the saxophone filled the intimate space, creating a soulful soundtrack to her New York autumn day. As the music washed over her, Isabella felt a deep sense of belonging, a profound connection to this extraordinary city she called home. New York, in all its multifaceted glory, was a city that never ceased to inspire and amaze. Vocabulary explanation. Cacophony, noun, a harsh, discordant mixture of sounds. Example, the city street was a cacophony of car horns and sirens. Sprawl, noun, an area of irregular and untidy expansion. Example, the urban sprawl of Los Angeles seems to go on forever. Sanctuary, noun, a place of refuge or safety. Example, the quiet garden became a sanctuary from the noise of the city. Respite, noun, a short period of rest or relief from something difficult or unpleasant. Example, the weekend offered a welcome respite from the pressures of work. Maelstrom, noun, a powerful whirlpool, a situation or state of confused movement or violent turmoil. Example, the city became a maelstrom of activity during the holiday season. Fruitful, adjective, producing good results, profitable or productive. Example, the meeting was very fruitful and we made significant progress. Frenetic adjective, fast and energetic in a rather uncontrolled way. Example, the pace of life in New York City can be frenetic. Invigorating adjective, making one feel strong, healthy, and full of energy. Example, a morning run is invigorating and sets me up for the day. Resilience, noun, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, toughness. Example, the city showed remarkable resilience after the hurricane. Perennial, adjective, lasting or existing for a long or apparently infinite time, enduring or continually recurring. Example, visiting the Statue of Liberty is a perennial tourist attraction in New York. Contemplation, noun, the action of looking thoughtfully at something for a long time, deep, reflective thought. Example, the quiet ferry ride provided a moment for peaceful contemplation. Myriad, adjective, a countless or extremely great number. Example, New York offers a myriad of dining and entertainment options. Eclectic adjective, deriving ideas, style, or taste from a broad and diverse range of sources. Example, Greenwich Village is known for its eclectic mix of shops and restaurants. Milieu, noun, a person's social environment. Example, the artistic milieu of Greenwich Village attracted many creative individuals. Hue, noun, a shade of color. Example, the sunset painted the sky in warm hues of orange and pink. Ubiquitous adjective, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example, coffee shops are ubiquitous in most cities these days. Onslaught, noun, a fierce or destructive attack, something that overwhelms. Example, the city prepared for the onslaught of the winter storm. Improvisational adjective, created or performed spontaneously or without preparation, relating to improvisation. Example, jazz music is often characterized by its improvisational nature. Multifaceted adjective, having many facets or aspects. Example, New York City is a multifaceted city with diverse cultures and experiences. This story aims to capture the essence of New York City while using vocabulary and sentence structures appropriate for IELTS Band 7 listening practice. I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you would like another story. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.